1. 1965 Chevrolet Impala sedan 4-door, 3 doors, located in Jamestown, New York. This 1965 Chevrolet Impala is a 4-door sedan with 68,000 miles on the odometer. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and a new gas tank. The car is in good running condition and ready for the road. With its classic appeal and a price of $3,000, it's an ideal project car for those looking for a reliable classic sedan. No to 1979 Chevrolet Impala sedan 4-door, $3,000. Located in Burlington, North Carolina, this 1979 Chevrolet Impala, previously owned by 2 individuals, comes with a 350 engine, originally 305. Although it needs some work, it does run. The seller initially intended this as a project with their father but couldn't complete it. Priced at $3,000, this Impala offers a solid foundation for a classic car restoration. 3. 1973 Chrysler New Yorker sedan 4-door, $2,800. Located in Canton, Georgia. The 1973 Chrysler New Yorker is equipped with a powerful 440 Mopar engine and new tires, brakes, and an aluminum radiator. It runs and drives, but needs some steering column work to be fully roadworthy. At $2,800, it's an affordable option for anyone looking to bring this classic Chrysler back to life. For 1963 Chrysler New Yorker sedan 4-door, $3,000. Located in Robinson, Illinois, this 1963 Chrysler New Yorker comes with a 413 wedge engine. The car runs and drives, although it needs some brake work. The interior is a bit rough, but at $3,000, it's a great opportunity for someone seeking a classic Mopar project. 5. 1977 Cadillac El Dorado, $1,700. Located in Quincy, Indiana, this 1977 Cadillac Eldorado is available for parts or as a whole. It features a 425 engine and a working transmission, though the front brake caliper is stuck and the gas line leaks. With a price of $1,700, this Eldorado is a budget-friendly option for anyone needing parts or a restoration challenge. Number 6. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, $3,200. Located in Bloomington, Illinois, this 1978 Cadillac Eldorado runs and drives but hasn't been on the road for a while. It has a clean title and comes with a classic white exterior paired with a red interior. For $3,200, this car is a solid candidate for someone looking to restore a piece of Cadillac history. 7. 1969 Buick Skylark Coupe 2-door, they're $3,200. Located in Norfolk, Virginia, the 1969 Buick Skylark Coupe comes equipped with an LS 5.3 engine. Recently purchased as a project, it's now up for sale along with various extra parts, including doors and a front windshield. At $3,200, it's a great project car for muscle car enthusiasts. Number 8. 1979 Buick Lasabre Limited Sedan 4-door, $3,500, located in Clara, Alabama. This 1979 Buick Lasabre Limited has 90,000 miles and rides great. Though it's a project car, the seller emphasizes its solid driving experience. Listed for $3,500, this Lasabre is perfect for someone interested in a classic Buick with potential. 9. 1961 Ford Falcon, $3,050. Located in Center, Alabama, a 1961 Ford Falcon that's perfect for a project. It comes with new tires, shocks, and brakes all around, plus a 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission. With some rust in the usual places, it's a solid starting point for $3,250. 10. 1963 Ford Fairlane, located in Cedarville, Illinois. The 1963 Ford Fairlane is a running, driving car with no leaks. Featuring a 200 CI straight-six engine and 2-speed automatic transmission, it's in great condition with minimal rust. For $3,200, it's a classic cruiser that's ready for a new owner.